I'm going to be showing you how to disable repeated Reddit posts. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So if you're seeing repeated or duplicate posts on Reddit, it usually happens because of feed settings, scoring, or sorting options, or app glitches. And here are ways to reduce or stop them. The first one is to change feeding sorting. So you can just change your feed sorting. So repeated posts often appear when feed is sorted by best or hot. So on how to fix it, you just need to go to your home page, just tap on home, and once you're there, just change the sorting option to new or top. Just make sure you're on the top, and after you tap here, you can select news or top or latest or games, and this usually reduces duplicate posts. You can also disable home feed recommendations. Reddit sometimes shows the same post through recommendations. So what you need to do is look at the top right, go to your profile, scroll down till you find settings, and after you're here, you need to go to feed settings. Just scroll down and you can change your sort by here, and you also can mute videos by default. There are multiple options here, so you should have the option to hide posts you've already seen. So it may appear on some app versions and it may not appear on some. So if you have that option, then make sure you enable hide posts you've already seen, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.